Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your head-up display in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an SX all-wheel drive in Fusion Black with gentle brown interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, what we're going to do is we're going to use this button that's down here in this cluster of buttons to the left of your steering column. And that is our HUD button, which stands for head-up display. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And now you'll see, coming out of your dash here, is your head-up display screen. So you're gonna have some vital information that you'll be able to see through there. And this is optional if you want to use it. If you don't wanna use it, you can go ahead and put it away as you want to. And if you did put it away yourself, it will never come out again unless you hit the button that's down here again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually head into the 10.25" infotainment screen, and we can enter setup by either swiping the screen to the left and hitting setup in the bottom right corner, or pressing setup under your climate controls down here. And when we go into setup, then we can go into vehicle, and then you're gonna see head-up display as an option there. And when we select that, you can go into display control or content selection. I'm gonna start with content selection. So you have the option of having some of the turn-by-turn information from your navigation system coming up there. You can have driving convenience information, which is like your cruise control, and some of the safety features like your lane keep. And then you've got your blind spot safety info you can have on there as well, or your radio or media info. So by default, this one is not selected to be on anymore. It used to be, and that's only because if you're listening to, for example, an HD FM radio station, the HD signal is quite sensitive, so sometimes it goes in and out while you're driving, and it would constantly refresh itself and renew itself on the screen in the head-up display, telling you that that station's now come back through, and that can get a little irritating. So it's your call if you want to have that media info come up on there, but by default it's not on anymore. So now I'm going to head into display control, and now you can see we can adjust the height of the projection. We can also rotate, and then you can adjust the brightness. So I'm gonna go ahead and just crank the brightness right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and zoom through. Now bear with me, the refresh rate of this is a bit different than the camera, so I'm gonna try to get it to come in as clear as I can. Now you'll see we had the lane safety icon there. Sorry again, there we go. The lane safety icon. To the left of that is a little speed limit sign, so it'll populate in there when you pass by the speed limit for the road that you're on. And then there's also that little digital speedometer there. So again, if we had a destination in there, you'd get some information for your turn-by-turn directions for the navigation system as well. And part of the reason of being able to adjust the height of this up and down is that not everybody sits and looks through the windshield at the same height. So what you can do is you can adjust it up and down. So if you needed to adjust to be able to see it better for where you sit, once you do adjust your seat, then I recommend adjusting the height of this, just so that you be able to see all the information nice and clear. Now every time you go to turn the car off, it will put the head-up display away, and then when you got back in and you turn the car back on, it will come out. And again, if you don't want to use it, you can hit the button to put it away, and then it will go away, and it will never come out again unless you want to use it. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.